Hey guys, what's up? It's Angie again. I don't know if I should actually say my name. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys know who I am if anybody even watches. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what I'll be packing for basic training, and it'll be all in this bag. It actually looks normal size because I'm so small next to it, but it's actually a really small bag. I don't have anything in comparison because I don't have backpacks at all. Also, I may look dead, but it's because I am in the inside. That's what you get when Tom is about to come and visit you. All your energy is just drained, but just roll with it and lean with it and roll. Okay, I need to stop. Also, I'm super jealous of everybody else that got like a cool back. That got a cool back. That got a cool backpack from the recruiters. I see people posting up videos saying like, oh, look at my cool backpack I got from my recruiters. They like me. But yeah, all my recruiter gave me was just pretty much my job. But in all seriousness, I am very thankful for my recruiter for reserving my spot for when I went to MEPS versus doing like an open contract, which I will talk about later in another video. I feel like most of the people that went to MEPS didn't even know that you can reserve a job. So I really am thankful. Alright, enough of me talking. I'll go ahead and just show you what everything looks like, right? Meow. So this is not a joke. This is literally what I'm bringing to put inside there. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got. Show me what you got, little mama. These are the small little sports bras. I don't even know why I always have to say little and small. Like, I know what I am. So these are the sports bras. I'm only bringing 3 very neutral ones. A little side note, I intend on throwing everything out once I get there anyways. So no attachments to anything. Here's some leggings, like 2 of them. Thankfully, we can definitely wear those for the women. 3 chonies. Oh, maybe I had to censor those out. You know, those are very, very intimate. And I got some socks. Let me focus this. I don't know how to work this camera. I got some socks. I got 3 pairs. 2 shirts that are just regular schmegular ones. A comb. Some bobby pins inside of a container. That's neat. That's fancy. And lotion. I just like the feel of that. I got Degree deodorant, you know. It's the guys one, and I actually do enjoy guys deodorant. That sounds weird. Who enjoys deodorant? And this is going to be everything for me. So I actually do love Head and Shoulders shampoo. But one thing I do want to say about this too is that I actually plan on using this for everything. Well, most things. So I want to use it for head, shoulders, knees, and toes. But for this, it's a soap. You can literally use it for your whole body too. So I'm going to use this for my shampoo as well as my body wash because I don't have that much sensitive skin, so I'll be fine. Like, geez. My little shower shoes that I got for less than $1. Oh, and then the little padlock that I have. I can't tell you my code though. And then this is like the coolest thing that I am obsessed with. I mean, I've seen a toothbrush before, but I'm talking about like the little case. It did not come with a toothbrush. I got it separately, but it doesn't roll. Like, it stays in place because it's somewhat flat. And then something that I'm bringing with me too. Oh, I don't know where my wallet's at. It's too late. Oh well. I'll find that later on somewhere. But the wallet is like maybe this big. I don't know. Okay. And the wallet will have like my ID and my debit card. So this is the Creed. I've only memorized like this much so far, or somewhere along those lines. So while I'm on the plane, I'll be reading more of it. And I just figured it doesn't hurt just to read more. So yeah. See, and as you can tell, everything fits perfectly. And I forgot to say that I will be bringing rubber bands. Duh, I need them. So, yeah. And look, I even have, like, this whole zipper with space. And I can actually shove more stuff in there if I want to. Also, a smart idea would probably to put this in a Ziploc just in case it explodes in my backpack. Yay! As far as my documents are concerned, my recruiter said they don't have to be like crisp and clean and everything. I can fold them if I want to, which I'm not going to fold into like an origami or anything, but I will put like in a folder and then fold the folder. I wonder if that's why it's called a folder. But I'll just go ahead and carry it. I mean, I have hands, I have arms, and if they tell me to put it down, then I'll put it down. Simple as that. If they tell me to put it in my bag, then I'll just fold it and put it in my bag. That's pretty much it. Oh, and I will be buying a pillow from like Walmart with the intentions to throw it away. I'm just gonna bring it onto the plane. I don't like those travel size pillows. I have no idea how anybody uses those. They don't work. They just make you look funny. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap it up right here. Thank you so much for watching. Also, just a little side note, on my last video, I think I said I'm ready to go like 10,000 times. So that would be a fun drinking game. I also read my horoscope this week, but still please wish me luck. I am very excited. So yeah, so it'll go ahead and end right here.